This question asks us to identify which of the given assumptions is or are correct. How we identify a correct assumption is, if we negate the assumption, the sentence which is based on this assumption will also be negated. Let us look at the assumptions. Assumption 1. Sound adherence to global standards of food safety is essential for the interests of export industry. This assumption is related to the last line of the second paragraph. To bring Indian standards below the benchmarks of the Codex could weaken the prospects of the export trade. Now, if we say that global standards of food safety do not affect the interests of export industry, this line will be negated. So we can say that assumption 1 is correct. Assumption 2 says India follows the Codex Alimentarius benchmarks only in interest of its export industry. Now if we negate it and we say that India has other reasons to follow the benchmarks, then let's see what happens to the related statement. The related statements is the third sentence of the second paragraph, which says, apart from the obvious benefits to domestic consumers, following global standards is essential for the interests of the export industry. When we negate the assumption that there are other reasons for the country to follow the benchmark, this statement holds true. So assumption 2 is not correct, and hence only assumption 1 is correct, which gives us the answer as option A.